Okay, today we are doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing of a place called Noah Nails and Spa over in Mooresville. And as you can see, we'll give you a walkthrough. We've got the young lady doing the cleaning and sanitizing of all the chairs. And this is what we'll be cleaning today. This is Noah Nails and Salon, a beautiful salon. And we will be giving this a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing today. Thank you and stay tuned. Okay. We are doing a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing of Noah Nail Salons today in Mooresville. And just to give you a walkthrough, the areas that you see here, these chairs have been done. This area has been done. It just needs to be vacuumed and mopped. All doors have been sanitized, tables, trash cans, and even the front entrance. This is a beautiful salon. Okay, we are sanitizing the nail box, which is a lot of fingernail polish. And this is a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing at Noah Nail Salon in Mooresville, North Carolina. As you can see, we are now sanitizing these chairs. And let's take a walk across the room here. And we're now washing and sanitizing these chairs. Stay tuned, folks. This is a QualiCare Maids total COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. And we are at Noah Nail Salon in Mooresville, North Carolina today. And it's a Sunday, and we're working on Sunday. It's been a 7-day week this week again. Okay, we are now finishing up. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing the floors, and we are at Noah Nail Salon in Mooresville, North Carolina today. And it's a beautiful Sunday and another 7-day week that we've been working. But as you can see, we enjoy the work. We will be giving you a walkout tour of this beautiful salon today before we leave. And when you need a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing of your office space, church, nail salon, hair salon, or even home, contact QualiCare Maids. Okay, folks, we are finishing up today, and this is a beautiful place. Let us give you one more good look at this place. This is Noah Hair Salon in Mooresville, North Carolina, and this is a beautiful hair salon. Let us give you one more view of this place. Now, this is class. Thank you for tuning in, and as you can see, we're on the way out the door. You guys have a great day. And if you're in Mooresville, North Carolina, stop by Noah Hair Salon. Nail Salon. It's been a long day. Thank you. This is QualiCare Maids. We're at the location 2 of Noah Nail Salons in Concord, North Carolina, and as you can see, this is a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing of this location. And everything is washed before it's sanitized, and after this is washed, this will be sanitized. Just to give you a view of this place, this is a nice hair salon like the last one, and as you can see, we will be washing down everything, so stay tuned. Okay, we are doing a COVID-19 cleaning, and this is a beautiful nail salon. And as you can see, we're trying to get it even more beautiful. This is a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. And just to give you an idea of what we're doing, I'll give you a walk around. And to show you what we do. Okay, this is the stock room, folks, and we are cleaning the stock room today. We're getting this. She's already sanitized everything, so now she's mopping, making sure that's good. Stay tuned. This is a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. Okay. Now let's give you the final walkthrough. We have just cleaned Noah's Nail Salon in Concord, North Carolina. And this gives you an idea of the final cleaning and sanitizing. Whoa. Love this place. This is a beautiful nail salon. As you can see, the floors are super clean. Let's go through here and let's just give you a view of the storeroom. Let's walk through here. Okay. And as you can see, everything has been cleaned and sanitized. We are now finishing up, and let's just give you a view of the bathrooms. The bathrooms have been cleaned and sanitized. I guess this is a massage room. Floors clean, sanitized. And this is the reason QualiCare Maids is the first cleaning service many people call first for COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. Because at QualiCare Maids, we either meet or exceed your expectations when it comes to cleaning. We thank you for tuning in to another one of our videos. And of course, we've been working 7 days a week for the past, I guess, 4 months, and today is Sunday. And again, we are at another 7-day week cleaning. Thank you for contacting QualiCare Maids for all of your COVID-19 cleanings, and you can reach us at 704-218-9645. Again, thank you, and have a great weekend. And remember, for all of your COVID-19 home cleanings, office cleanings, salon cleanings, apartment cleanings, call QualiCare Maids, because QualiCare Maids is the first company many people call for a COVID-19 cleaning and sanitizing. And 9 times out of 10, we can beat much of our competition's prices, and we give you a cleaning and sanitizing, which is something that exceeds many customers' expectations. Have a great night.